Throughout history, cities worldwide have risen and fallen, each with its own story of growth and decline. Some places that were once vibrant centers of life and opportunity now face challenges that threaten their existence. In Canada, a nation celebrated for its vast landscapes and lively urban centers, certain cities are experiencing swift declines. Here, we explore the top 10 fastest collapsing cities in Canada, the factors leading to their downturn, including economic crises, deindustrialization, and population loss. Number 10. Windsor, Ontario. Windsor, situated near the U.S. border, once thrived as Canada's automotive capital due to its ties to the American auto industry. However, advancements in automation and shifts in the global economy have turned this reliance into a vulnerability. As factories have shut down or downsized, Windsor's unemployment rate has climbed to 8% in 2023, one of the highest in Ontario. The city's efforts to attract new industries have faced challenges, leading to economic stagnation, minimal population growth, and an exodus of young professionals seeking better prospects. Aging infrastructure further compounds Windsor's issues, with over $1 billion in repairs required to sustain its facilities. Number 9. Sudbury, Ontario. Sudbury has a rich mining history, especially in nickel. However, technological advancements and fluctuating demand for nickel have led to reduced employment in the sector. With job cuts from major mining companies, Sudbury's unemployment rate rose to 7% in 2023, leading to an outflow of residents. Population growth has slowed, health and social services are strained, and infrastructure repair costs are estimated at $500 million. Additionally, the area faces environmental degradation due to past mining, posing further challenges to Sudbury's sustainability. Number 8. St. John, New Brunswick. A booming port city, St. John's economy has struggled as industries such as shipbuilding have waned. Unemployment sits around 7.5%, and a declining population has exacerbated its aging demographic issues. Limited funds have hindered repairs to deteriorating infrastructure, and the city is increasingly vulnerable to climate change impacts like rising sea levels. Without economic renewal or significant investment, St. John faces a challenging future. Number 7. Corner Brook, Newfoundland. Corner Brook, reliant on its forestry and paper industries, has struggled as global demand for paper has declined. The local pulp and paper mill has reduced its workforce, pushing unemployment to 10% and leading to a 4% population decrease over the last decade. Infrastructure is aging, with over 60% in need of repair. Rising sea levels and climate change pose additional risks to the city's future. Number 6. Prince Rupert, British Columbia. Is a port city on British Columbia's northern coast. Prince Rupert has relied on trade. However, declines in the fishing and forestry sectors have raised unemployment to 9%. The city's remote location and aging infrastructure have hindered economic diversification. Climate-related risks, such as heavy rainfall and rising sea levels, threaten both the port and urban areas, pushing the city toward significant challenges. Number 5. Bathurst, New Brunswick. An industrial hub, Bathurst's economy has suffered from the decline of the mining and forestry sectors. With unemployment at 9% and a 6% population decline over the past decade, the city's future looks grim. Bathurst's infrastructure needs repairs costing $150 million, and the city faces extreme weather risks. Efforts are underway to diversify the economy and improve infrastructure, but challenges remain substantial. Number 4. Thompson, Manitoba. Known as the hub of the North, Thompson thrived on its nickel deposits but has suffered as global demand and employment have dwindled. The city's largest employer, Vail, has cut back operations, raising the unemployment rate to 8.5%. Population decline and environmental risks, such as permafrost thawing, further compound the challenges facing Thompson. Number 3. Sydney, Nova Scotia. Sydney, once Cape Breton Island's industrial center, has struggled since its steel industry declined. Unemployment remains high, and efforts to replace industrial jobs with tourism and service sectors have not sufficed. The city faces aging infrastructure needs, estimated at $250 million, and risks from rising sea levels. Without significant economic transformation, Sydney's future is uncertain. Number 2. Flin Flon, Manitoba, Saskatchewan. Flin Flon, straddling the Manitoba-Saskatchewan border, has faced economic hardship following the closure of a major mine. Unemployment has risen to 10%, and population loss is accelerating. The city's outdated infrastructure needs substantial repairs, and environmental risks threaten its stability. Number 1. The city facing the steepest decline in Canada. This city, topping the list, faces an extreme combination of high unemployment, rapid population loss, and significant infrastructure and environmental challenges. With limited resources and economic options, It exemplifies the struggles of Canada's most vulnerable urban centers. Without intervention and innovation, these cities risk a continued downturn. However, many are exploring new paths to revitalization through diversification, green energy, and tourism. These efforts reflect a commitment to sustainability and resilience as they strive to secure brighter futures.